The city of Milan is hosting the world premiere of a brand new hypercar, the Pagani Utopia. To create the Utopia, Pagani consulted owners of its existing models. They requested three things: simplicity, lightness, and the pleasure of driving, according to the company's announcement. The Utopia packs a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 with a 60-degree angle between the cylinders from Mercedes-AMG. It makes 852 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. The power plant is clean enough to meet California emissions standards, according to the company. Buyers can select a 7-speed automated manual transmission that Pagani claims is the quickest shifting possible gearbox with helical gears. There's also a true 7-speed manual with a clutch pedal. The rear axle has an electro-mechanical differential. All of this lightweight material keeps the total weight down to 2,822 pounds. Pagani initially plans to build 99 examples of the Utopia coupe. The company isn't disclosing the price or saying when deliveries begin.